You're ungrateful.
When lucky says she
I'm not ungrateful. She's acting so stingy.
She a talk because she want to keep her little space in her.
Nobody else gonna love me like you. Not entertaining thoughts of the mysteries, all the fairy tales. Just wanna look good, gripping the attention. We don't know when to stop, so we keep going till we drop. Yeah, let me tell you about a little thing that I know of. It can give you everything you need. Oh, just look. Back to our channel. So today we're gonna prank my brother-in-law this time, because he pranked his wifey that his aunt is gonna be kicking us out of the house because we're visiting her right now, and she just randomly just walked in and saw us. So we're all gonna act like we're sleeping on the floor, and then she's gonna come out, start screaming at everybody, and put us out.
Are you allowed to pick up my sleep? You know your family have come. Why you never tell me? Why you never tell me?
No, not keep.
You should have told me. You always do them something here. That's why me can't agree because you don't listen. What time now? 7 o'clock in the morning and people are here hear me mouth through you. I'm tired of you now, man. God know. I'm tired of you. Are you allowed to people them sleep on the ground? If you know so them a come, the bedroom that they for them sleep on, you make them sleep on the ground. You sleep on the step. Tete and him wife and the children them a come, make them sleep on bed. Who come and sleep on ground? And them things I'm not fucking like with you. You're too secretive and love go on. People give you this much and you take this much. Come tell them to get up. And them things that you love go on with. Only get up. Only get up. All the baby up on the ground and all these things. Like, come on. Like, why would he even do this to me?
We thought he asked.
He never asked me. He never asked. Because if he did ask, the baby would not sleep on the ground. Him too outside and bright. And them something I'm gonna like with him. Come on. And Tete, you should have known better. You should have known better. You shouldn't even make more dryer in this. You shouldn't make more dryer in this. I'm not playing. Shumor always bring the worst out of people. Nah. I'm sorry. Y'all gotta go. Y'all gotta go.
Yo, let's go. Because I'm not into this.
Yeah, y'all gotta
Let's
go.
get out of their house.
Y'all gotta go. Because
Come on.
I don't like this.
Let's get out of their house. And he can't come to our house no more.
That's right. Oh well.
You too. You're not invited. You're not invited. I'm not even joking. You're not invited. Excuse me.
I don't care. I don't care, Tete.
No, nobody can come to my house.
I don't care.
Bro, you're not invited. Bro, she's not invited.
What are these things?
Don't you the last time?
No, no.
I'm
I
not.
don't
Yo,
care.
let's go. Let's
Don't
go.
let- I'm not feel low yet. Bye.
You can't leave me with all the kids.
I'll help. I'll help.
All right. Well, can I get ready?
Relax,
I have to go
relax,
to the bathroom.
Yo, man, come here, you. Yo,
Relax,
tell
relax.
you about her, you. Tell you about her. Man, come here.
Bye.
Relax,
I
relax.
could go
I'm
to the...
not relax, my youth. I know say this is the got me, you know. I know. I better me sleeping on my car, youth. That man tell you. I should have slept in my car.
Relax.
Okay.
Yo, you ready?
I need a changer. I need to go to the
Relax,
What
bathroom.
you doing in the car?
No,
You want me to go to the bathroom in the car?
Bro.
No, relax.
It's
Let's go in that
good.
bathroom, bro.
Yo, it's good. I don't want to change it now. I don't want it now. I don't like the body energy. We're gone. I like the look of body energy where y'all bring out.
I don't care.
Yeah, man.
This is Shumor's fault. Don't
Yo,
blame
hear
me.
this.
Why you blaming me?
Y'all hear me?
Are your brother's
Yeah,
fault?
you hear me?
I don't care, Tete, because
I'm
he
good.
should have
I'm
told
good.
me.
I'm good. We Gucci. I'm good. One by one.
Don't blame
But
me.
now,
Blame
I'm not
your
bring
brother.
nobody now come on me on that one.
Well, that's
Yo,
y'all business.
yo.
That's between y'all.
You know what's funny? But just I said, oh, send me that bring her on me on. You see that? Life is funny. Life is funny.
Well, I'm in a business.
Relax.
Nah, we can't
Well, we don't
relax
want
in
you
the
to
money.
get in trouble. Look,
Yo,
I'm
If
yo.
not
I get
trying-
in a trouble,
Damn
I'm a
water.
big man. What kind of trouble could I possibly
I
get
don't
in?
know.
Yo. I'm gone, dog. Just a hold it.
What time is it?
Yo, full of something.
7
You know,
o'clock
business,
in
you
the
know.
morning.
So you wake us up at 7 o'clock in the morning?
You know, see how wicked.
We have like a 4-hour drive.
You know, see such a wicked.
That's an
You know, how long more cuss you?
I am
You know, see such a wicked.
Not to laugh.
You know, see such a wicked. She's a wicked.
No, cause
Yo.
you can't believe this.
Oh boy, man, that hurt me.
I'm gonna come with me and show
Man, that hurt
this.
me.
Cause this would have really sealed the deal. Cause all them are gonna cuss me in my house and I'm gonna do nothing.
I'm just saying, it's like 7 o'clock in the morning. We have a 4-hour drive. You're
Well,
ungrateful.
the lucky says she
I'm not ungrateful.
Yeah,
She's
it
acting so
good
stingy.
shit, talk.
She a talk cause she want to
Yeah.
keep her little space in her.
She not keep no space. The girl live with she live your bright.
Yeah, you know what happened? You know what
Your
happened?
bright with space she looking at.
I'ma tell you what happened now. Yo,
See, man,
not tell me
this
nothing
is
about
like a
hey.
Relax, relax,
Mm.
relax.
Not tell me no
You
relax.
outside and
Here what me
bright.
tell you. Want me tell you something now? I ain't coming out. I'm done there. Sorry. Sorry, I'm done there. Hold my water.
So this young break for come
I'm
people
done
beat
there.
me after my house. Yes, sure.
I'm done
thank
there.
you.
Nah, come on.
And them
I'm
son
done
me
there.
talk about thank you, Shimon. Thank
I'm
you.
done there. You hear me tell you I'm done there. What am I forgot go now? Well, I'm done sleep already too. So, put me out if you want.
What's
But
up?
sleep already, I'm alright.
Shall I see this?
And
Yes,
by the
yes.
way, let me tell you something. I never in here with sleep. In your mother bed.
I don't know. You're looking
While I
at
was sleep,
Yes, sure.
I'm gonna just bring them back out
Yes,
at 7
sure.
o'clock. Come. And
Yes,
they tell me she
sure.
wake early.
Yes, sure.
7 o'clock, come.
Yeah,
out,
I
come,
tell him something
lay out
wake
everything.
early. No, I'm not laugh. God no, because you're not feeling no blood up well. My blood up well feel. But I
Relax, relax.
You mean a baby? Yeah. That me and tell you, God.
Throw the baby.
so, like, are you kidding me right now?
Listen. I'm gonna tell you something. It's when you have your own place and then something you ain't no business what people want to say. You just got you tell them what you want. They got your yard.
So,
As me,
do that.
that me,
So where you
After
at?
me no like over here either.
So go.
A
Take
long
your
time I
brother
like
to
you,
Look,
so I'm in a
look.
business.
Yes, so take your
I
brother.
don't, it's been a
Alright,
while.
alright.
I've been having this up for
Alright,
you, you
alright,
know.
alright. What happened? I never knew they were coming.
But
Yo, you
should
don't
tell
need
me.
that.
Listen,
You don't need to
listen,
explain
hold on,
yourself.
hold on.
Yo,
People have
don't
been
explain
upstairs.
yourself.
Relax.
Yo, don't explain yourself. Yo, you
Hold on.
don't explain yourself.
Relax. I never knew they were coming. It was a surprise, and they come.
So you couldn't.
Hold on, listen.
When I have phone,
Listen.
don't I call about anything else?
Yes, but
Okay.
listen. At 1:30 this morning, we all was looking for hotel. Unfortunately, everything booked. When you came, I come and knock. You were sleeping.
So you could have texted me and let me know so when I wake up, everybody know I wake up early. You can even tell your brother so I wake up early.
So, me just
Do you know I wake up
accommodate
early?
them.
Should have something there.
Shadi, you know I wake up early. So
Say,
you could
if
have
you
still text me, but could have got my bed late. I wake up
Look
early.
there, look there. Something just come on to my baby hand now. Watch out.
So we're staying on a dirty
Gum
floor.
paper.
So that
Gum paper. Just now, baby hand. You kill her, my baby now. What you gonna tell me? Say, I want to tell.
That you shouldn't have been
What
here.
are you gonna tell me? Well, you know what?
I wasn't siding with you, I'm saying.
You know you're not saying what you said.
Well, I'm here. What she gonna do?
I'm grateful to me. Well, I thought she would clean her house. I mean, it's always clean. There shouldn't be anything on the floor.
Yeah, oh well, I saw it going. I should have never done yours so the baby got crap on the ground. So if you tell
Or
me,
you could clean the floor.
if you tell
And
me,
you know what?
the baby could have in the bed.
You know what?
In the bed, she would leave
We
her
are
hand,
here.
dirty
Hear this.
paper.
We're here. So if something happens to her, just don't say they find you.
That's a phone business.
If something happens to her, her blood
Go on
tap in your
with
hand.
them. Go on with them now.
Nothing
Go on
is
with your
wrong with
brother.
that. You know
Go on
someone
with
tell
your
you that?
brother.
My mom tell
Go on
you
with your brother.
so. Go on pack your bag.
Yeah, go on. No,
Go on pack your bag and you
Maybe miss your Shadi, but you know I'm leave.
Go on pack your bag. Go on.
You think she's gonna come over after kicking her husband, boyfriend, whatever out?
Yo, go pack your
One
bag,
of
dog.
these needs, I just saw one of them
Relax,
things them
come on.
My youth, go pack your bag. You see how that's why people walk on you. Watch
Why are
it.
you yelling at him? This is what I told you. This is
I
how I
don't know
make
when
my
you're
own
gonna
money.
go.
Never let somebody ever be able to kick you out your own place.
I don't know when you're gonna grow up, bro. You need to leave.
You
Like,
need
for real.
to do, don't
You
you?
need to leave. You can't suffer here.
Yeah.
Make sure go on, man.
All right. How about this? We leave. They can deal with their crap.
That
It's not like I don't have money. I could have got a hotel. I didn't have to stay
I
on the
don't
34th.
care. I don't cuss her. Now
Alright.
me with my feel comfortable and I will leave.
Alright.
And you,
Sucks
No,
to you.
Karen wouldn't know. Don't leave by
deal with it.
yourself. Karen wouldn't know.
You see me? I just
Today,
said so.
Karen would get to. Go on.
Deal with it.
I'm
You.
so glad that this happened. Because I'm not for have no feelings. Thank you, Jesus.
Yo, well,
I'm
hear this. Look on the brighter side. This happened. And you see our true colors.
If you know my true colors long time, I'm not hide and talk. I'm talking with my chest and
But
my
you're
car.
supposed to be ashamed of yourself.
No, why am I
That's your true colors?
When I tell us hello, people from even movie from there over.
With family.
When I tell us some.
Well, me and you not
Oh,
family.
no,
we not
pause a
family.
second. But glad you mentioned that. Alright, if
We not, no, not
Alright,
we, not we.
No, all I
We are family,
yeah, but
not
hold on now,
we.
pause a second. Don't, you could have simply say, if you ask me, if Tete, because them live all the way away, if Tete them can come, but I simply say, I have to tell me, say, them will come and it's late and whatever. Yeah.
And a hotel plan for them.
Alright, but you're not, or you're richer then. When the hotel them, they look how much hotel them, you have to
They're closed.
can't lock out the
A
hotel.
Queens,
I want to have on a dirty
It's
money
Juneteenth.
line.
It's a holiday.
But that means
And now it's Father's Day. Happy Father's Day.
Oh, yeah, happy Father's Day.
You know why you're happy for that?
You know,
Something like a little drunk.
yeah, you see
Oh,
all them something there?
I saw Janko stay. You see Janko? Janko love fly and pitch when them see things. No, you know why you're happy Father's Day?
Alright. I'm out.
Keep that. Let's
Alright,
go.
bye, Mimi. Happy Father's Day
Gone.
to Mimi.
I guess
Because this
I'm
is not
No,
the father.
and if you accept that, you are ungrateful to come me there. And you can accept happy Father, your mother and father in a one.
Why you jumping on me?
Because you tell her what tongues
You
like.
can stay here
Your
too.
mother
You
and
going
father
back
in
to
a
my
one.
house.
Your mother and father in a one.
Alright.
Yo, man, alright. I'm done
Very
with
lovely,
this.
Shimon. Lovely.
Yo,
lovely.
we're done with this.
Lovely,
Bye.
Shimon. Thank you.
Alright, we'll
Thank
put
you.
her in the car.
Wonderful.
She don't even want to go.
Wonderful. She don't want her. Let her stay there.
Yeah, right. Poison my kid with their dirty
We
floor.
were trying to cut out. I come and knock at your door. So you were sleeping.
Thank you. Thank you. Wow. Beautiful.
Come on,
Love
let's
to
go.
see
Let's
it.
go, let's go.
Want to start the car down?
No, I'm not starting the camp. I'm going in.
And then we can just get the
So then now we come everybody.
No, but don't worry about that, man.
Oh,
But don't worry about that.
Sorry, no, I'm on that one. Thank you.
But don't worry about that. Man, you know why, yo, man, you know why you make your inner earth a fan? You alright? You know why you make your inner earth a fan? For your runner.
Well, on the bright side, it's a prank! Got him!
You also jump. I'm not screaming. Alright, bro.
It is a prank.
He's like, what?
What a disgusting.
Wifey said she gotta get you back. Here's the star from the last one. Just made it to 5K views.
I saw Tete after, and I was like, Tete, are you? And it was like, let's prank him. I was like, yes. Perfect.
And wifey wanted to get you back anyway.
So I'm like, Shimmer's gonna sell this, and then when my call moved, I said she not answer. That seal deal and everything. Shimmer, poor Shimmer.